Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Dodo bird from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. So let's get started. To draw this silly dodo bird, let's first start by drawing its eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'll come in here about in this area and draw another circle for a highlight and shade it all in. There, so I have one big eye in. From there, I'm going to come about in this area and I'm going to imagine this is going to be the beginning of the beak. And about right here, I'll just draw a soft curve. And using this curve right here, it's going to go right under the eye and it's going to come out for the beak. So you just want to create this curve right there. From there, I'm going to use this curve and come out. We're going to start the beak and come out about right here. Okay, so let's bring this out a little bit more. Let's say about that much. I'm gonna come up here and draw this big bulbous part of the beak right here at the end. And so just nice and round, and I'll bring it around. And so just imagine this still coming through. So about right here, at the bottom right here, I'm just going to give it a slight point. There. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and just finish it off, connect it right there. And in this area right here, we're just going to draw in a circle. And then let's come back right here and just draw another curve that kind of just tapers in to finish off the beak. Okay, so then now we can come back to this area, this curve area, and we're going to draw another curve. And this is going to be the beginning of the other eye. So you want this curve to be about the same level as the other eye. So about right here at this angle, and just bring it in and curve. So once again, I'll just put in a little highlight right here and then shade this all in so you can see it much better. There, now it's starting to make sense, right? Okay, so then from there, where we ended this curve, we're going to start to go up. And the bottom right here, just imagine this coming through. We're just going to be drawing this round head. So let's bring this up. Nice and round. And bring it all the way around. Back to here. And connect. And then for some details, let's come to the top right here up on the center area. And we're going to draw these two feathers that look like leaves, basically. One bigger one, and then a thinner one. Comes about right there. And then, let's say about right here over the eyes. Let's draw a curve, and then come around, about right there, round it off, and bring it back down, and taper it in. And that is pretty much it for the head. So now let's draw the body. So right under about in this area, nice and round, and about right here. Just bring it around. I just kind of want to create this ovalish shape. So just bring it nice and round all the way. Okay, so because I'm using a Sharpie, I know in this area right here I have a wing. But if you're using a pencil, definitely go ahead and finish this curve. So I'll stop, and so about right here, I'll start. This wing is basically going to follow this curve. So I just want to create this curve that's still going up like that, and then let's bring this up. So we're going to draw the first layer of feathers. So about right here, let's go ahead and start to curve. One bigger one, and then 2, 3, and 4. And then the smaller feathers, so let's come about right here. The longer feathers, I mean. And I'm just going to tuck in these feathers. Maybe this one's a bit longer. And taper it in. There. And then whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish your curve. Now that we're done with the body, let's work on the tail feathers. So in this area, we're going to start to build the feathers, and I'll just say about right here will be my center. I'm just going to give myself a point, and from there I'm going to start with the first layer. So it's like drawing leaves. And see, let's start to flare them out. And one more. So that's why I like to give myself a center so that I know where the feathers spread out. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the second layer, which is bigger feathers. So come about right here. Just tuck them in. And once again, our center, and then we're going to go the opposite way now. And one more. Just tuck it all in there, and then one in this area. There. So we have the feathers in for the tail, and now the feet. So let's come in this area, right here underneath this wing, and I'm going to draw a curve. And let's curve it out. And curve this part down. And then we're going to connect it with this slight curve angle. And 2. Okay, so then right here on the bottom of this part right here, close to that other one, we're just going to create this kind of angular shape right next to it. So now that we're all done with our dodo bird here, I'm going to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Dodo bird from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So I really hope I made this drawing fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and make sure to check out my Roblox Adopt Me Pet playlist if you love these animal drawings. Thanks so much for watching, and if you do love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.